internet, CyberBandit here. Welcome back to Python for Ethical Hacking series, where I particularly focus on development of networking and hacking tools using Python. Alright, in this video we will be taking a glance at a keylogger, a tool or a method used in hacking that logs every key event or token and save it somewhere in your computer or send it to a hacker as well. Before getting started, here is a disclaimer. The following video contains tools and techniques used by hackers to penetrate and infect computer systems, servers, and personal mobile devices. The purpose of this demonstration is to show you how to protect yourself from these types of attacks, and it should only be performed on systems you have explicit permission to do so. CyberBandit, YouTube, and its affiliates aren't responsible for any malicious use of this information. This is for educational purpose only. So let's plunge into today's video. Keylogging is a action of recording the keys on a keyboard, typically covertly, so that the person using the keyboard is unaware that their actions are being monitored. Keyloggers are computer programs designed to work on the computer software. Keyloggers are used in IT organization to troubleshoot technical problems with computers and business networks. So it's not only used for bad purpose, it has got some good aspects. So families and business people use keylogger legally to monitor network users without users' direct concern. However, malicious individual like hacker can use keyloggers on public computers to steal password or credit card info. So first, before we get into the main objective, we need to install Python xlib. So fire up your terminal. Here you can see a small cute button. Snap it and a built-in terminal in PyCharm will pop out. So write apt-get install Python -xlib. So if you are using Linux, then it would help you a lot. And yeah, I already have this downloaded, so it isn't going through any further downloading processes. So after this, we need to go ahead and type pip3 install pyxhook. So this is a third-party library. We will be needing this, and this is also downloaded pre-installed in my computer. So if it isn't in your computer, then it will go through some processes, and finally you can get your pyxhook. So alright, we are now good to go. First, import necessary libraries. For this type import, this is how we import something. Import OS, it's important for us. Import pyxhook, that's the library we just downloaded. Now we define log file as environment variable. log_file is equal to os.enviro.get. yeah, and this goes with pylogger_file, then comma os.path dot expand user, and then where the path is. So I'm gonna save the log file in comma desktop slash I'm gonna save it on file.txt. So this tells the keylogger where the log file will go. You can set the file path as an environment variable or use the default one. Now we are creating key pressing events and saving it into a log file. So define function. We need to define a function. Define on key press. Then event is the parameter with open log_file comma, and then this is to append as f:, right? So f dot write and then this and the curly braces slash and dot format wait, we don't need this here. Format and then event dot key. So this is good, this is all good. Yeah, what this does is it tells the keylogger that when a key is pressed, then save it in log file or append then. So now we create a hook manager object. So new underscore hook is equals to pyxhook. This is where we use pyxhook dot hook manager. Now again new underscore hook is dot key down is equal to on key press, right? So now we set the hook, new underscore hook dot hook keyboard, right? Now the try catch exception, try except new underscore hook dot start. So to start the hook we need this, and accept keyboard interrupt, then we're gonna just pass this, right? So to handle when user cancels the execution from command, this will be used. So that's it. What we are doing here is, so we imported the necessary libraries, define a log file, a function to tell the keylogger when a key is pressed, then save it in log file. Yeah, here is the log file, file.txt. We set the hook manager and a try catch exception. So let's save it, right? Control S, then let's run this. Python 3 keylogger dot py. So it doesn't show any error, so it's running in the background. Now let me just open Firefox or something where we can go and browse a website, and let's see if the key event I enter gets saved or not. google.com. Let's do this. So I just did this. Let's check if, yeah, here is a file.txt, and yeah, here it is. google period means dot or full stop, com, and then return means enter. So it really is a cardinal script. However, it's very useful to form a base in hacking using Python. You can play around the code, add SMTP to it so as to get messages from victims every time victim's machine by deploying it. So that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, peace.